Dear future IITians and medicos, in this session, let us learn a concept from electrostatics. Look at the numerical. 2 point charges A and B have charges plus Q and minus Q. The force acting is F. If 75% charge of A is transferred to B, find the new force. This is the numerical. This type of numericals are from electrostatics, which are equally important for your IIT and NEET preparation. Solving this type of numerical will be a bit laborious, and I am here to teach a shortcut. The shortcut comes out like this. The new force, F nu in the sense, the new force to be calculated comes out as 100 minus x percentage square multiplied by the old force. This is the formula to be applied. The new force is equal to 100 minus x percentage square into the old force given. Now, here x stands for the percentage transfer. Let us apply and arrive at the solution. 100 minus the percentage transfer is 75 and the force and the old force is stated as F. Let us solve this. 100 minus 75 is 25%. Percent means 25 by 100 taken square times into old force. Now 25 ones and 25 fours. 1 by 4 square comes out as 1 by 16 into F. This will be the new force. Practice this type of models and do compare the same method we had practiced right now with the traditional methods so that you follow the magic in this shortcut. Hope you have understand this. Stay tuned to us to learn magical shortcuts like this. Thank you.